Around 40 people have been arrested so far in connection with the attack on the office of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma by a mob in Tura on July 24th. In a press conference held today, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma says it is to be known that after the arrest of many political people in the incident by the opposition, this statement came that the police are working on the instruction of the political masters. Responding to which the Chief Minister made it clear that those who have been arrested on the basis of video footage evidence and not with any political intention.
For me, don't look at the political affiliation. I am purely going by the evidence of who was present there. The videos are circulating everywhere for everybody to see, and Facebook posts are coming out, from individual accounts, and hence, based on clear black and white evidence, only based on that arrests are being made. And as I said, I have from day one, I have not mentioned anything about political parties, and I refrain from doing that because that's not the way I would like to look at this situation. As I said, this is something that concerns all of us.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home